If you're always thirsty, no matter how much water you drink, this could be a warning sign that something's off in your body. You might brush it off as a minor issue, but trust me, it's worth paying attention to. Many people ignore small changes in their body, thinking they're just a normal part of life. But what if I told you that these small changes could be the early signs of a much bigger problem? Let's take a step back and talk about diabetes. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and yet, it's often silent in its early stages. You might not even notice anything's wrong until it's too late. That's because diabetes can be a sneaky condition, creeping up on you without any noticeable symptoms. But there are some warning signs that you should never ignore. One of the most common myths about diabetes is that it's only caused by eating too much sugar. But that's not entirely true. While a diet high in sugar can increase your risk of developing diabetes, it's not the only factor. Genetics, obesity, and physical inactivity can all play a role in the development of diabetes. Now, let's talk about some of the early signs of diabetes that you should never ignore. Excessive thirst is one of the most common symptoms of diabetes. When you have diabetes, your body is unable to regulate its blood sugar levels properly. As a result, your body tries to flush out the excess sugar by producing more urine. This can leave you feeling incredibly thirsty, no matter how much water you drink. Frequent urination is another symptom of diabetes. As your body tries to get rid of the excess sugar, you may find yourself running to the bathroom more often than usual. This can be especially noticeable if you're drinking more water than usual, trying to quench your thirst. But what's happening in your body is more complex than just a simple case of dehydration. When you have diabetes, your body's cells are unable to absorb glucose from the bloodstream. As a result, the glucose builds up in your bloodstream, causing your body to produce more urine. This can lead to a range of complications, from kidney damage to nerve damage. Fatigue and low energy are also common symptoms of diabetes. When your body's cells are unable to absorb glucose, they're not getting the energy they need to function properly. This can leave you feeling tired, sluggish, and lacking motivation. You might find yourself needing to take naps throughout the day, or feeling like you're just going through the motions. Blurred vision and slow healing are also symptoms of diabetes. High blood sugar levels can cause damage to the blood vessels in your eyes, leading to blurred vision. And when you have diabetes, your body's ability to heal wounds is impaired. This can lead to a range of complications, from minor cuts and scrapes to major surgeries. So, why do these symptoms happen? It's all about the physiology of diabetes. When you have diabetes, your body is unable to produce enough insulin to regulate its blood sugar levels. As a result, your body tries to compensate by producing more urine, leading to excessive thirst and frequent urination. The problem is, many people ignore these symptoms, thinking they're just a normal part of life. But the truth is, if you ignore these symptoms, you're putting yourself at risk of serious complications. Late diagnosis and treatment can lead to a range of problems, from kidney damage to nerve damage. So, what can you do? If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Get tested for diabetes, and take control of your health. It's not just about managing your blood sugar levels, it's about taking care of your overall health. In conclusion, the early signs of diabetes are often silent, but they're not invisible. By paying attention to your body and taking action, you can prevent serious complications and take control of your health. So, don't ignore the warning signs. Follow Easy Medics Daily for clear, life-saving medical knowledge, and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you.